In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do log management in Datadog. We'll walk through the core flow so you know exactly where to start, how to orient yourself, and how to choose the right path for your environment. By the end, you'll understand the main entry points for getting your logs into Datadog and how each option fits different architectures. First, head to Datadog in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Logs section. This is your home base for log management, where you'll eventually search, filter, and visualize events across your systems. If it's your first time here or you're adding a new source, Datadog will present an onboarding prompt that asks a simple but important question: where are your logs coming from? This helps tailor setup guidance so you don't waste time on the wrong path. Start by selecting the server option. Choose this when you're working with traditional hosts or virtual machines running services and applications. This path centers on collecting system logs and application logs from your servers, grouping them with host-level context like CPU, memory, and network. It's ideal for monoliths, lift and shift workloads, or any service that runs primarily on VMs. As you explore this option, think about consistent tagging, like environment and service names, so your searches and dashboards stay clean and reliable. Next, open the container option. This is best for Docker or Kubernetes workloads that spin up and down frequently. Container logs benefit from automatic enrichment with container name, image, pod, and namespace, which makes troubleshooting deployments and rollouts far easier. Consider standardizing log formats such as JSON, so parsing and faceting works smoothly once your data lands in the Logs Explorer. Move on to the cloud option. Choose this when your logs originate from cloud provider services, managed databases, load balancers, or serverless functions. Here, Datadog guides you toward cloud-native ingestion, such as using provider log services to forward events. Centralizing these logs gives you a unified view across services you don't directly manage, which is crucial for tracing issues across managed infrastructure. Finally, select the client option. This covers browser, mobile, and other front-end sources. It's especially useful for capturing errors, performance data, and user context from the client side and correlating them with back-end services during investigations. As you navigate these options, remember that you can mix sources. Start with the one that matches your highest priority systems, apply clear tagging and naming from day one, and avoid logging secrets or personal data. With your path chosen, you're set to bring logs into Datadog and turn raw events into actionable insights.